Halo Gabuters! Back again on the channel, Bapak-Bapak Gabut. This time we will review the cordless wood cutting machine from MOLLAR. I've wanted to have one for a long time, but I've been hesitating to buy it. As you can see in the previous video, I already have a multi-function grinder which can cut metal and wood. But it feels less than perfect if you don't have a proper wood cutting machine. Let's just unbox it, okay? First, we look at the user manual. It comes with a warranty card, so you don't need to worry anymore. The last leaflet contains more detailed instructions for use. There are guidelines on what to avoid before using this tool to minimize unwanted risks. Also listed are maintenance instructions for maximum performance. Wow, the cutting edge is cool, huh? 6-inch 24T size, the latest design from MOLLAR. This is the standard cutting blade that comes with the product, or is it a bonus from the store? It's a good thing I didn't buy a new cutting blade if I got a bonus like this. Actually, there are still old cutting blades that can still be used. But if you get a bonus like this, that would be great. Oh yeah, this is the wrench for the cutting blade, right? We'll see how it works later. The product I bought is a single unit. So the battery and charger are sold separately. The model is great. A sturdy body with neat workmanship gives a tough impression in my opinion. The product specifications are listed here, including a rotation speed of up to 6,300 RPM and a maximum cutting edge of up to 6 inches. The blade cover is made of cast iron to minimize shaking during cutting. There is also a speed control feature available. The handle is wrapped in rubber with ordinary quality in my opinion. The base plate is not too thick, but it seems quite strong. I think the air circulation is quite tight. It can minimize dust entering the engine. It's also easy to clean. Just unscrew the screw and spray it with WD contact cleaner and you're done. Here you can set the cutting angle up to 45 degrees. Oh yeah, apparently not all brands use this blade cover clamp feature. One of the advantages of SIG in my opinion, so it can make it easier when installing the cutting blade. Great, yeah. Well, here you can set the cutting depth. You can adjust it to the material you are cutting. I happen to choose this MOLLAR because the cutting edge can reach up to 6 inches. In general, the average cutting edge for other brands is still stuck at 5 to 5.5 inches. Let's test it on, okay? I happen to have a battery from APR. With a capacity of 2 5 cells, I think it's quite capable. The standard battery that comes with this MOLLAR is 20 volts 4 So, let's test the APR battery to see how well it performs. We immediately try setting the highest RPM. Medium RPM. Low RPM. It works. Now we test the rotation to see if it matches the specifications or not. This is a low RPM setting, right? Medium RPM. high RPM. I have a 3Ah battery from Mail Tank. I'm curious, is there a difference? Great, yeah. I think I need to buy a 4Ah battery from MOLLAR. Let's try to weigh it up. It reads 2 kilo, yeah. For comparison, we also weigh the batteries from the APR and Mail Tank. Okay, great. We immediately install the cutting blade. To open, hold with a wrench and unscrew the bolt with a shock wrench clockwise. To install the cutting blade, pay attention to the direction of rotation on the blade cover. Adjust according to the rotation direction instructions on the cutting blade. Don't forget to adjust the ring to fit the arbor. To tighten the bolts, counterclockwise, yes. First try, we'll use a 2Ah battery first, okay? The jolt is really felt after the cutting blade is installed. Let's just try cutting the Meranti board, okay? Low RPM setting. Feels a bit flat in the middle. Oh yeah, I forgot to set the cutting depth. Let's try again. Maybe because the battery capacity is not big enough. So there was a drop in torque at the beginning. The blade cover is concave. We just locked the cover. There are always obstacles in the first try. This time we set the highest RPM, okay? I hope all goes well. Okay, great. You can really feel the difference in the RPM settings, right? And for the cutting results, I think it's good. Now let's try the 3Ah battery from Mail Tank, okay? The power difference is very noticeable compared to a 2Ah battery, but at least it's still capable if you use a 2A battery. My motto is that the most important thing is that it is functional and useful. Now we try to cut Meranti wood, measuring 3/5. And this is the difference if you use a multifunction grinder. Let's try again. The cut results are definitely good.
What do you think?
If you already have a battery, my suggestion is to just buy the unit only one. MOLLAR provides many of its products which are sold unit only. Just buy an LXT type battery and you can use it for many cordless machine models. Well, if you want to have one tool with many functions, just buy this multi-function grinder. When it comes to advantages and disadvantages, everything is definitely there. Just adjust your style. No need to bother with this and that. Don't force yourself to buy something expensive if you're going to end up selling it again. Like this battery from APR is only $5, but it can still be used. This is also a product from Mail Tank, which is known to be bullied by many people, but has become one of the best-selling brands in online stores. That's all from us for now. I hope everything goes smoothly for all of us.